What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to write the molecular formula for potassium chloride, and after that I will show you how to find out the molar mass or molecular weight of potassium chloride. So first of all, I write with potassium. Start with potassium. Potassium is K, it belongs to group 1, so it has the charge is +1, and chloride is chlorine, belongs to group halogen groups, so it has -1. So when you combine them, it's going to be just KCl because it's just 1 and 1, so it's going to be KCl. If you want to find out the molar mass, you need to find the atomic mass of each of these elements, and we have one from each, so it's going to be 39.098, and this one from periodic table 35.45. Then I need to add them. 35.45 plus 39.098, 74.548 grams per mole. So that's the molar mass of potassium chloride. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.